Hi guys, today is my vlog. We make the hot dog buns guys, the hot dog that one, and then have some ham, 2 pieces of ham I want to mix. Then I'm already prepared guys. Then done guys, I brushed the egg on top. Time to put in the oven. I'm already preheated the oven guys. We cook in 180 degrees Celsius within 22 minutes guys. Time to put inside, and then I adjust again the temperature guys within 180 degrees Celsius. Then after 22 minutes guys, my homemade hot dog buns is done. Look at that guys, look perfect and beautiful. I no need to buy buns guys. I no need to buy bread. I just make my own. And then ready to taste guys. Oh really yummy guys. Really soft and fluffy. Yum yum guys. I also have mixed the ham with cheese guys. This one is hot dog. And then I'm already put into the plastic. No need to buy buns, no need to buy bread guys. That's it guys. Thank you for watching and bye for now.